This lecture will show you how to set up your device to start Wi-Fi hacking. Let's open the Parrot OS. Okay. Now I want to check the network interface configuration of this operating system. Therefore, you need to open terminal, and this is terminal. Okay. Here type ifconfig command. Okay. See ETH0 and allo. Okay. ETH0 is the fast Ethernet interface, and this is Ethernet IP address, and this is the MAC address. Okay. Allo is the loopback interface, and this is IP address. Okay. Same thing if you use Kali Linux. Okay. Here has the terminal. Okay. Then type ifconfig. Okay, showing command not founded. Okay, type sudo su. Okay, password for Kali, default Kali, Kali. Okay. Okay, enter. Okay, now type ifconfig. Okay, same thing, ETH0 allo. Okay, now I added my USB Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, first add USB adapter on the computer. Okay, then now I attached on this virtual machine. Okay, see, now here showing no USB device attached. Okay, right click there, see, showing my keyboard, my mouse, and my USB Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, you can also choose on there. Okay, device, then go to USB and see same thing. Okay, choose my USB Wi-Fi adapter. Okay. Okay, see, it's connected. Okay. Okay, take some time for attached. Okay, now type ifconfig again. Okay, same thing, if you want to attach USB adapter on your Mac on your Parrot operating system, same thing attached on there because it's already captured by the virtual machine Kali Linux. Okay. Okay, see, here showing now LAN 0. Okay, LAN 0 is my USB wireless network interface on this system. Okay, and this is the MAC address. Okay, now I am showing you how to change this MAC address because our device connected Wi-Fi with this MAC address. Okay. Okay, if you can change MAC address, then you can bypassing MAC filtering. Okay, therefore, okay, first clear this is screen. Okay, then again type ifconfig. Okay, first we need to disable LAN 0. Okay, that's for type ifconfig, then LAN 0 down. Okay, now check ifconfig. See, this time LAN 0 disable, so do not show there. Okay. Okay, now type ifconfig LAN 0 hardware ether. Okay, ETH here. Okay. Okay, then type your choosing MAC address. Okay, suppose 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 4 5 5 6 6 7. Okay, 2 4 2 4 6 8 10 12. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now enter. Okay, I have config LAN 0 up. Okay, wait a few seconds. Okay, it's updating. Okay, 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 worked. Now again type ifconfig. Okay, pass sudo su kali I have config. Now see. Okay, now MAC address update. Okay, okay, see, showing this MAC address. Okay, you can also change another way. Okay, that's for again sudo su kali. Okay, then type MAC changer r LAN 0. Okay, now see. Okay, showing current MAC address 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7. Okay, this MAC address. Okay, okay, and this and new MAC address this. Okay, it's automatically generated. Okay, for check is it update or not. Okay, I have config. See. Okay, we need to enable LAN 0. Okay, for this. Okay, here I have config LAN 0 up. Sorry, up. Okay, okay, now check there. I have config. Okay, see. Okay, it's update. Okay, now check network. Okay, okay, go to browser, any browser. Okay, suppose my browser open. Okay, it's open. Okay, open exploit database. See, go to website. That means this device connected internet. Okay, okay, check is it connected Wi-Fi or not. Okay, see, this device, this connected Wi-Fi network but connected Ethernet network. Okay, here you can disable this network. Okay, check this. Okay, now check is it load or not. Okay, okay, see, this time suppose we want to download Terminator on the Parrot operating system. Okay, that's for first type sudo apt get update. Okay, okay, Parrot password for users. Okay, default tour TWR. Okay, it's automatically update. Okay, wait a few seconds. Okay, okay, update complete. Now type sudo apt install, then type your program name. Okay, now I want to install Terminator, so type Terminator. Okay, enter. Okay, do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, okay, now Terminator software installed my operating system. Okay, okay, now type only Terminator for open. Okay, see, okay, it's open. This is similar to terminal. Okay, here is some extra benefit. Okay, you can exploit this. Okay, okay, list calendar, current month. Okay, date, LSL. Okay, that's it.